How to recover a hacked Instagram account. One minute, you're basically casually opening Instagram, and the next minute, your password suddenly does not work. Your email might be changed, your phone number could be removed, your profile picture disappears, random crypto stories start appearing, friends begin messaging you asking why you're promoting these types of links. And suddenly you realize something terrifying. Your Instagram account has been hacked. Now, the first thing most people do is they start panicking. They try random passwords repeatedly, click suspicious recovery links from YouTube comments, or fall for fake Instagram support accounts that end up stealing the account permanently. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to exactly recover a hacked Instagram account step by step using the official recovery methods that actually work. We're going to cover what to do immediately after getting hacked, how to secure your email and phone number, and how to use Instagram's identity verification system, what to do if the hacker enables two-factor authentication, and how to avoid any type of recovery scams. And trust me, the timing is going to matter because the faster you're going to react after the hack, the higher your chances of recovering the account successfully. So if your account was recently compromised, follow every step and carefully do not skip anything because recovering the account is only half the battle. Keeping it secure afterward is just as important. Now, before we start recovery, you need to understand how most Instagram accounts actually get stolen. Because honestly, most hacks are not dramatic Hollywood cyber attacks. Most are just simple manipulation. The biggest method is phishing. This happens when someone sends a fake login page pretending to be Instagram. It might arrive through DMs, emails, fake copyright warnings, verification scams, or your account will be deleted messages. Now, the page does look real. You type your password and the hacker instantly receives your login info. Another common method is password reuse. If you use the same password across multiple websites and one of those websites gets breached, hackers are going to test that password combination everywhere else. Now, that's why weak or reused passwords are incredibly dangerous now. So, here's something important. If your Instagram was hacked, your email may also be compromised. That means recovery must start with securing your email first. So, that's where we're going to start. Secure the email connected to your account immediately because this is quite critical. Because if hackers still control your email, they can simply reset your Instagram password again even after you recover the account. So what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and open up your email as so. Now, once you're here, you're going to change the password instantly. So to change the password, what you're simply going to do is you're going to be going over to your account's settings. So here we have our accounts, right? Now to change your email from here, you're simply going to go and click on settings as so. Once you click on settings, you're going to click on see all settings. Once you click on see all settings, what you're going to do over here is it's going to be taking you through the whole portal of password change. All right. And one of the most straightforward and basic things that people miss out is the fact that they need to use a strong password. And you need to use a strong password that you have never actually used anywhere else before. Okay, so you can either change the password right here in general and create a new password, or you can go to your very own Gmail as so. Go to your account in the top left over here. What it's going to do is it's going to open up your Google account section. And once we're here, you're simply going to go to Google password. And once you go to Google password, from there, it's going to allow you to go ahead and change your password. So first of all, go ahead and add your own password. If you don't have it, forget the password, add in a new password, etc. Now, after changing the password, check your email security settings carefully. Go ahead and make sure to look for any suspicious things. Do make sure to check your spam emails and everything. And also do make sure to enable two-factor authentication. And you're going to do the same for that in your Google account system. You're going to come here, click on data and privacy, or you can even go to security and sign in and make these changes to your privacy with the security as well. So over here, you can add in two-factor authentication and a whole lot more things to secure your account. Hackers sometimes add hidden recovery methods so they can regain access later. Remove anything suspicious instantly. Honestly, securing your mail is more important than securing Instagram itself because your mail is the master key to almost your entire digital life. Once your email is safe, then you're going to move to Instagram and its recovery. Now, open the email account connected to your Instagram profile and search for messages from Instagram Help Center. So you can simply go ahead and write in Instagram as so. And here you can see you have a lot of Instagram messages. You can also go ahead and write Instagram Help Center. Now, once you write in Instagram Help Center, you're going to go ahead and click on yes. Specifically, look for messages saying your email was changed or your password was changed, etc. So once you find that anywhere in this section, what you're going to do is Instagram is going to often provide a recovery link saying something like, if you didn't change your email, secure your account here. Now, clicking this quickly can sometimes reverse the hacker's changes immediately. And honestly, many people miss this step because they panic instead of checking their inbox carefully. Now, timing is going to matter here because if the email change happened recently, this recovery link can save massive amounts of trouble and any hesitation. But if too much time has passed, you may need to go through identity verification instead. Now let's move into direct account recovery. You're going to open up Instagram, and over here, when you go over to the login page, like let's say I'm going to open up Instagram right here. Now, once we open this up, it's going to take us to our login page. As so, you're going to simply hit forgot password. Now, enter your username, phone number, or email, whatever it was. So let's say this was my username. Instagram will attempt to send recovery instructions. It's going to ask you, is this your account? Of course, you're going to be like, yes. Now you can either get linked via email or continue with password. Now, if the password doesn't work, what you can do is you can get linked via the email that you're on. Okay. Now, in the case this doesn't work either, Instagram still provides additional recovery options. After failed login attempts, look for options like try another way or my account was hacked. Tap those options carefully. Instagram may ask for verification codes, old passwords, device confirmations, or identity verification. Now, you can also do video selfie verification. If your account contains photos or videos of your face, Instagram may allow you to verify identity using a short facial scan video. Now, the app usually asks you to record a video turning your head in different directions while the system analyzes facial features. Now, this is not public content. It's used internally for identity verification of you. Now, here's the important thing. Lighting is going to matter. So make sure your face is clearly visible, the room is bright enough, and your camera quality is decent. Do not wear sunglasses or heavy face coverings during verification, and if your account contains many selfies or videos already, the chances of successful facial recognition increase dramatically. Now, this is where recovery becomes more frustrating because sometimes hackers enable their own 2FA after sealing the account, but you still have options. During recovery, Instagram is going to provide alternatives like backup codes, trusted device confirmation, or identity review. If you've previously saved your own backup codes, this could become incredibly useful. Now let's assume you've successfully recovered your account. That's great, but you're not finished yet. Now you must secure everything immediately before the hacker attempts another login. Firstly, go ahead and change your password again. Use a completely unique password never used elsewhere. Secondly, enable 2FA. Inside Instagram settings, go to this section where it says more. Click on settings. Once you've clicked on settings, right over here, you're going to go to the security section. Okay, and you're generally going to find the security section down here. Okay, if you don't find it here, you can simply search it up over here as well by writing in security. And here we have passwords and security. Now that's going to take you to the account center. And in the account center, what you're simply going to do is you're going to change your password to 2FA, and you should be good to go from there. So that is how you're going to have your account unhacked. And that is pretty much about it for this video. So thank you for watching all the way till the end. And I'm going to be seeing all of you in the next video. Have a great day. I'll see you next time. Goodbye.